Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a radial progress indicator using custom shapes in Photoshop. I start by opening Photoshop and choosing a square canvas. Then I draw a circular custom shape as the base ring. Now I duplicate it and reduce stroke thickness. After that I mask part of the circle to show progress. Next I add percentage text in the center. Now I place small dots around the ring. Then I apply gradient colors for smooth flow. After that I add subtle glow. Now progress feels visual. Then I zoom out to test clarity. After that I refine stroke edges. Now it feels polished. Finally I adjust contrast and spacing. This indicator now feels premium.